Alright boys, the tariffs just got lowered from 145% to 30% again for all dropshippers. And there is one really important thing I need you to know about them. So exactly 3 weeks ago, I was sitting in this exact chair and I said this. I'm sorry to break it, but we all got scammed big time. This whole entire thing is literally a full-on bluff. As expected, the whole thing was in fact a bluff. And the main reason why I'm even making this video is just to tell you, I fucking told you so. I literally called it 3 weeks ago when everyone was panicking. And one more thing I want to do right now is address the comment of the business boy with 2 Y's. All right? What he says is, bro, you don't know the markets at all. All right, let's check out my predictions of the markets 3 weeks ago and actually what happened. Let's go back in time and look at the S&P 500 when the whole cough virus started. Here it started, everything crashed, and then it took some time and it just got all up again. Now, I hope you see the pattern here. We have a massive crash and it goes up. Here, we have the same exact thing right now. Massive crash. Guess what's gonna happen next? Well, guess what happened next? It all went back up, as you can clearly see if you just Google S&P 500. So that's it. I don't want to drag this out for too long. The only relevant thing you need to know is the tariffs are back down to 30% from 145%. So I know for the last few weeks you had this massive excuse of not starting dropshipping because the tariffs are up, but it's gone now. You can either find the next excuse or finally get fucking started. It is literally your choice. Ask yourself what would have happened if you just followed my advice 1 month ago and literally just already started dropshipping, tested your first few products, got the experience, and learned a bunch from that. And now obviously now you will be in a better place than if you didn't do that. And if you want to learn exactly how to find, test, and scale a product step by step, I made a full guide completely free here on YouTube, which you can check out, watch it, follow the steps, and actually apply them.
There is just one huge thing you always need to remember. Michael Bernstein told you so. As usual, he didn't panic and just called my bluff. Also, I just watched his free e-com guide and already made my first sale this week. Go check it out for free. It's worth it bigly.